Welcome to the MJ Cooking Show. Hey, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And today we're going to be making bacon buttermilk biscuits. All right, let's get ready to go into the kitchen. All right, now these are the ingredients for our bacon buttermilk biscuits. We need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to mix all our dry ingredients. So I have 5 teaspoons of baking powder. I have a ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Then I have 1 teaspoon of sea salt. All right, and then I'm gonna mix all these dry ingredients together. I want to add my bacon. I got a ½ cup of bacon. You can either throw half of it in and then put some on top, but I'm just going to intermix all mine in the ingredients. That bacon flavor, that smoked bacon smells good. These are real bacon. Don't use bacon bits. Your biscuits are not going to turn out correctly. All right, I'm going to add butter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice it. To get it all chopped up into small, fine pieces. All right, all my butter is up in fine pieces within the flour, and I'm going to make a little circle, and I'm going to add the buttermilk. All right, I have my 1/4 cup, 1 1/4, 1 cup and 1/4 of buttermilk. I'm just going to throw it in there, and I'm going to start intermixing, slowly coming to trying to get all the buttermilk out. Notice buttermilk is very thick. If you don't have buttermilk, you can add a tablespoon of lemon juice to your milk. Let it sit for 10 minutes in the fridge, and then you can make your biscuits. See, the flour is incorporating into the mix. And I'm going to get rid of my spoon and start mixing the rest by hand. My mom used to make biscuits for my family from Detroit. Would come out of town, and she showed me how to make them, but I didn't like to get my hands dirty. She called me nice and nasty. All right, after you get through mixing it, put some parchment paper down, and some flour on it, so that you can be able to mix it without making a big mess on your counter. All right, I have my dough on my counter, on my parchment paper, and I'm getting ready to now start pressing and folding over. See the bacon in it? To try to make, and you don't want to do it a whole lot unless you want some flaky biscuits, but I want mine to rise. And you see the bacon all in it. All right, I had to clean the kitchen up a little bit, but after you get your dough, see all the bacon in there, looks yummy, smells yummy. I got my glass dipping flour, and I'm going to start cutting. Ooh, don't make a mess. Once you start cutting, and I'm adding it to a pan that I greased with cooking spray. And you just stick your biscuits in. Then I'm going to put a little more flour on my hands because I'm going to put this together so that I can get some more biscuits out of it. See, I have 5 already. If I did it right, I would have got 3 out of that, but they're looking yummy. Oh, I was trying on that one. And get at least 10 biscuits. And make the dough a little thinner. You can get probably about 12. I'm just going to do a little ball on that one. Press it out and stick it in the pan. And you'll put it in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes on 450. And we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. Well, looks like my timer is gone off. 20 minutes. Let's turn that off. Let's see how this is looking. I got bacon in here cooking too. This gets out. Oh, look at them. Look at those biscuits. I got my butter to put on top of the biscuits. With the bacon that is in it. And these are buttermilk bacon biscuits. Let me know how they turn out for you. And here are these bacon buttermilk biscuits. Let's look in there and see. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Look at all the bacon inside. And you can put these in the fridge and for the kids for breakfast the next morning. If you don't feel like fixing any meat, there you go. They got bacon in there. And you can give them an egg, jelly, and call it a day. These are the bacon buttermilk biscuits. Let me know how they come out. See you next time. Thanks for tuning in to the MJ Cooking Show with these bacon buttermilk biscuits. You see, it's not hard at all. All right, let me know how it turned out for you. Hit that subscribe button for me. All right, see you next time in the kitchen.